Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about fehaute.com, which is a clothing. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and user experiences. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Fehaute's website showcases sleek, on-trend fashion with seemingly good prices, but the experience behind the scenes tells a different story. On Trustpilot, Fehaute holds a mediocre 3.3 star rating from over 600 reviews, but many recent reviews are scathing. Customers report receiving wrong items, poor quality clothing, and nothing at all. Some say items arrive with no tags or return slips, making it nearly impossible to return. Others mention non existent customer support, with emails ignored for weeks or longer. And when you do get a response, you're often asked to pay for expensive return shipping to China. Despite its modern-looking website, Fehaute follows a common pattern seen in dropshipping fashion sites: attractive products, poor service, and a lack of authenticity after the sale. For the final verdict, Fehaute.com may look legit, but buyer experiences say otherwise. Between poor communication, order issues, and impossible returns, this site raises too many red flags. Unless you're okay with rolling the dice on sizing and customer service, it's best to shop elsewhere. Have you ordered from Fehaute? Share your experience in comments to help others decide. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.